Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your item is sold, no longer available, or you simply changed your mind, Facebook Marketplace allows you to delete a listing in just a few taps. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what deleting a listing means. Deleting a listing will remove it from Marketplace, stop it from appearing in search, prevent new messages, clear it from active listing. This action is permanent. Okay, so first thing first, open your Facebook, tap the Marketplace icon here in the bottom. Okay, on desktop, click Marketplace from the list bar or the list sidebar. Now go to your listing. Okay, so tap your profile. Okay, select your listing, and you will see all your active listing here. Okay, so tap the listing you want to remove. So for example, this one. Okay, let's tap the three dots. Okay, so this opens the listing option menu. Okay, so now tap delete listing. So we have here many options. Okay, as you can see, we have view listing, delete listing, edit listing, mark as a sold, mark as pending. So the most important thing for us now is the delete option. Okay, so tap delete listing and confirm your choice. So the listing disappears immediately. Buyers can no longer view it. Okay, so make sure you truly want to remove it before confirming. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.